Today we'll talk about how can you fix this problem or know how you can do that on your Clapper app. So you just follow these ways, then it's going to work with you. All you have to do in the first, just click on settings here. So then it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Then you go down, just keep going down, click here on apps. You come to apps list here, and here you're looking for Clapper app. You just click on search. Then here at Clapper, it's going to show for you like this. You click on it. So then you come to next step here, click on for stop, click on OK. Then you go down, just click on storage. Come to storage list here, just click on clear cache. Then all you have to do, you just turn off your Wi-Fi and turn on it again, then it's going to work with you. That's all you have to do. I wish you a great. That's all. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.